A big thank you to this company for sending me this product in exchange for this video, and I'm super excited to talk to you today about it. Now, this is the Bluetooth to FM transmitter right here, and the first thing I noticed about this transmitter is it's really nice and small and compact. I've actually owned quite a few Bluetooth FM transmitters in the past, and they've all been very big and bulky and just kind of awkward to use, but this one is really nice and small and compact, and I really appreciate that. The whole top half here of the product essentially is for the car or the vehicle's outlet, so you can go ahead and just simply plug it right into the outlet to go ahead and power on the device. You'll notice there are quite a few features built into this device, first being those two USB-A ports there on the side. You can go ahead and actually charge two devices at the same time while you're using this transmitter, which is really awesome that you have that capability. On the front, you'll have a display of what channel you're actually set to and broadcasting from this little device, and then you simply just connect your Bluetooth device to this transmitter and go ahead and begin playing audio, and it will play through here and then essentially broadcast to a local FM network where you can go ahead and tune your vehicle's radio. Now, this button right here actually works really well. You simply just push it in to go ahead and answer calls or play and pause your music. You can go ahead and turn it to the right to go ahead and skip to the next track, or to the left to go ahead and skip back. You can also hold it down to increase or decrease volume levels, and then you have a channel button here on the side if you need to go ahead and switch the FM station that this is set to broadcast to. Overall, I've been really impressed with this Bluetooth FM transmitter. I think it's nice and high quality, and I would highly recommend it.